hide the how to quickly delete old Facebook posts no more than ever. It is important to what pops up on your social media feeds. Here's how to delete Facebook posts from your timeline one by one or in bulk. Facebook is all too keen to remind you of the past. Remember that concert you went to 6 years ago, that person you friended 9 years ago, that photo you spent on vacation in 2012. No worries, Facebook will make sure you never forget, but no more than ever, it's important to curate what pops up on your social media feeds. Let's say potential employer or date op- open all ill-advised photo comment or like. If you are sick of crying every time you log into Facebook, it might be time to write your account of again. Memes and reminders of your lack of style in 2008. You do not have to delete your entry account through. There's a better solution. If you are every time you log into Facebook, it might be time to read your account of again members and reminder of your lack of style in 2008. You do not have to delete your entry account through. Here's a better solution. If you want to a social media cleanup, first it may be informative to see what your profile looks like to people who are not on your friends list. Go to your Facebook profile, open the three dot menu and select the view as icon. This will display your profile as it looks to the general public by showing everything on your profile that is set to public. From here you can see what people will be able to see and then figure out what should be hidden or deleted. Select exit view as at the top of the page. Exit view on mobile. To leave this view, the easiest way to delete a Facebook post is to simply locate the item and select the three dot menu and choose either move to archive or move to trash. While the first option will delete the post immediately, the second will send it to the trash where it will stay for 30 days. It's possible to limit the visibility of old photo and posts by making them private instead of deleting them entirely from your timeline. Click the next to the post you want to hide. Select edit privacy on mobile, then select who should have pressing to view the post. Choose only me to hide it from everyone. To only hide the post from certain people, select friend accept or specific friend to include or exclude certain people. You can also choose custom to use a combination of and explain. Facebook also has a tool to hide public timeline posts and mess. To do this, navigate to setting privacy, then head to the your activity section and click the limit past posts link on mobile. Tap your profile icon, then choose the setting here and select profile setting privacy limit. Who can see past posts you will open